In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can withdraw from interactive brokers to your Jamaican bank account. Now, if you're using the Android app, I believe you can follow along. Just look for the options that I'll be mentioning, right? So here, we're going to be selecting the menu icon. Then select withdraw. If you have multiple accounts, select the account of your choice that you want to withdraw from, and then select continue. On this page, you will see the option to add your bank account. So I'm going to scroll down and use a new withdrawal method to simulate adding a bank account. So in your case, you're going to select bank wire. So select use this method. Then scroll down, select where the money will be deposited, to a bank or non-financial institution. Select your country. Let's scroll down and search for Jamaica. Then you're going to specify your bank account number, confirm your bank account number, specify your SWIFT code, and then specify a nickname for the account. Once it hits say bank information, then it will prompt you to select a corresponding bank. Once you select your corresponding bank, you'll be able to save your account and then proceed with the withdrawal. And within say 1 to 7 business days, the money will be deposited to your bank account. Now, I normally recommend test it with a small withdrawal first before you make a big withdrawal, just to ensure that everything is working fine. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.